morning, sisters.
Good morning. Where are you all going?
It's a Sunday morning. We were all just moving around.
Oh, really? In that case, would you like to visit a place?
Yes, very much.
Okay, let's move.
Good morning, sisters.
Good morning.
Oh, where are you all going?
Sister will take us to a place. Would you like to join us?
Yes, we would love to.
Okay, let's move.
On this day of joy and blessings, St. Francis family at Vadakkencherry invites you all to a great day of celebration. Today is a remarkable day for all of us since we are celebrating our Patron's Day.
At the very outset, let me gladly extend to you the fraternal greetings of St. Francis of Assisi, our patron. Let the flames of his life lead us through. Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for a peace will one day come true. Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for a peace will one day come true.
More than 8 centuries ago, on a day, a child came into the world. He is called a man of peace, a man of all the creations of God. With reverence, we call him Saint Francis of Assisi, the patron saint of ecology in Saint Francis group of institutions. Saint Francis Assisi was a man of peace, and everything he did was to create peace and love.
The mission of St. Francis Group of Institutions is to bring God's peace to humanity as proclaimed through the congregation of Third Order Regular of St. Francis. On this blessed day, we extend festal greetings to dear fathers, Reverend Father Sibi, our principal, and Reverend Father Uridin, our vice principal.
We rejoice and sing Happy Feast Day. We rejoice and wish Happy Feast Day. We rejoice and sing Happy Feast Day. We rejoice and wish Happy Feast Day. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la, we wish you. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la, Happy Feast Day. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la, we wish you. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, Happy Feast Day.
St. Francis' devotion to God was expressed through his love for all of God's creation. Having paid due respect in his acts, he exalted the flora and fauna as his brothers and sisters.
In his words, we can never think of a planet neglecting the care of animal kingdom. Through this, Francis expressed that all the creations of God are all equal and valuable. Let's love and care our animals.
St. Francis, the second Christ in nature, dealt genuinely with the poor, the sick, and the downtrodden. His eyes and heart were welling up with the love of Christ.
This love made him courageous to touch the leper, to walk with the poor, to eat with the beggar, and to work with the farmer.
the heart of one who moves this world.
St. Francis, the man of serene character and prayer, invites all of us to experience the mystic silence.
On this happy occasion, it's my privilege to express to you, dear fathers, a few words of appreciation as I enter into Assisi campus. I am truly captivated by the vibrance of peace, serenity, and joy. Your spacious campus is an eco-friendly place, and we, the students, enjoy spending our time cheerfully in this premise. Thank you, fathers, for all the care and spirit to make us happy and responsible students. May God bless each of us and our Assisi family. Thank you.
St. Francis, the holy man, used to bless people with God's peace because he was so much united with the divine. And he continues to bless us in his own words. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May he show his face to you and be merciful to you. May he turn his countenance to you and give you peace. May the Lord bless you. Hallelujah.